How to add video to Shopify product page. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can add a video in your product page without making your page really slow. So first of all, you can go into your Shopify store, go into product and click the product that you want to add the video to. You then usually other people would you can see that you can add videos in media, but if you do this, it will make the page load a lot longer, and it will also, maybe when you upload it, you will also take a really long time, and that is not exactly ideal. So I'm gonna suggest two more other ways that you can do it. The first way is to put it in the description. So what you want to do is to have your video ready on YouTube first, and I'm gonna put the YouTube code into this description. So once you're in the video, you want to go into share. You want to go into share and click embed. And when you see this code, you want to copy the entire code. The embed options in here, you can see enable privacy, blah, 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 mode, or show player controls. If you show the controls, the player will see that, like the people in Shopify, your Shopify store will see that it is from YouTube. If you don't show it, they won't see that it is from YouTube. So you want to copy the code, and then go back to the description and paste it. You would want to go into next to the three dots in the top right corner, show HTML. You want to click it, and after this code, before the quotation mark, you would want to type and mute equals 1, and this will mute the video so that it is not going to annoy people or scare people from suddenly playing sound. And then you also want to type and autoplay equals 1, and this will make the video play on its own. It is going to autoplay the video so that it will not, like the people are not going to need to click it to play the video. You also want to change the width and the height because it may not match the rest of the page. You will want to save it and have a look and see if you actually want to change the width and the height. And let's say if you don't want the video to autoplay start in the beginning, you want it to already be in the middle, in the important part of the video, you can go into, when you click embed, you can click start at and then select the time of the time that you want it to start playing. And if you want the video to be not as wide or not as tall, you will want to adjust in here. So right now it is height 315, width 560. If I want it to be less wide, maybe I would want to change to 500, save it and preview it and see if you like it. If I want it to be the same width as this here, these two, then you will have to adjust more with the width and maybe change it into 250 instead of 500. Getting it to the right width or height that you want may take some time, and you may also want it to go align with your description above. So center alignment, right align, and save it and go preview it. Now this is way too narrow and too tall, so you will want to adjust it again. And this method may be good, but some other people would want other ways of changing of showing the video. So here is another way that you can do it. Other than doing it in the description, you can also go back and go into sales channels and online store. When you click into online store, you can choose one of the theme and go into customize the theme that you want. When you are in here, you want to go into the template, into the part when you are featuring your product or showing the product. So in here, about here, above featured product, so here. And in here, you want to feature collection. Below feature collection, you want to add a section. And this section you would want to add as video. So you search for video. And make sure that the video is below the product information. So it doesn't need to be feature collection. It could be the section of your product. And below this in the video, you want to go back to your YouTube, and instead of copying the embedded code, you can just share and copy the URL. And you can also select the start time. And then in here, you can go into the video and insert link, paste the link. Don't open this as a new window. I mean, you can, but people may leave. And then choose the link title. Depends on what you want. You can just completely delete the link title if you want it to look like it is a video that you've inserted into the page and not just a video from YouTube. Insert it, and in here you can play video on loop. Go and delete this video part so that it will actually be just a video. And you would want to add a cover image so that the video is not going to just shown as a link or something that is not that good looking. And so you want to go and add your image. It could be an image that you want. It could be a thumbnail of the video. You could also explore free images and choose the one that you think is suitable. Click select. And customize the padding, the spaces from top to bottom. This is the preview. As you can see, there's still this in here, and I don't know when I did wrong. You can go back. This is the heading size, so this is not the heading. So this is I put the link in the heading, and you shouldn't do this. Instead, you should put it in the URL. Yes, like this instead. So put the link into the URL and not the heading. The heading, leave it blank. And then you can edit the cover image. If you want the focal point to be wherever, you can go and click and add a focal point there. And then once you have done this, customize the page width and save it. And when you go and preview your page again, the video will just look like this. So this is your page, this is your product, and then you will have the video here. You click it and the video will start playing. With this method, you will still have the sound, but people will be aware that they are clicking onto the video. So each method has their own pros and cons, but with both methods, you will be able to put a video into your Shopify website without making the loading time really slow, really long. Obviously, you can use the most basic one and just upload it on media, but these two methods will be a lot better looking and more advanced in a way. So this is the way you can add video to your Shopify product page. Thank you very much for watching.